Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to do sky replacement in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. Import the video clip in which you want to replace the sky. Important tip. Try to shoot your footage with a plain sky or very few clouds. This makes the replacement much easier. Adjust the clip in the timeline and duplicate the layer. From the Effects and Presets panel, search for Luma Key and apply it to the top layer. Turn off the eye icon of the duplicated layer. Go to the Luma Key settings. Set the key type to key out brighter and slowly decrease the threshold value until the sky starts disappearing. Adjust it properly to get a clean result. Import the sky video you want to use. Place it below your main clip, adjust its position and scale, and boom, your sky replacement is done. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.